Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to unsubscribe emails from Gmail all at once. Use your web browser to navigate to gmail.com. In the search box, type unsubscribe to find emails related to unsubscribing from mailing lists. Click on the filter icon to apply a filter to these emails. Click on create filter to start creating a new filter for these emails. Select choose label to designate a label for these filtered emails. Click on new label to create a new label for these emails. Enter a name for the label in the label name field. Click on create to create the new label. Check the box for apply the label to apply the newly created label to matching emails. Check the box for also applying a filter to matching conversations to apply the filter to existing conversations. Click on create filter to finalize the filter settings. Go to the unwanted email section from the left dashboard to view the filtered emails. Review the emails in the new label and select all the unwanted emails to delete them. Then open cleanemail.com in your web browser. Click on get started for free to begin the process. Enter your Gmail address in the provided field. Click on sign in with Google to sign into your Gmail account. Choose your Gmail account from the list if prompted. Click on continue to proceed with the authorization process. Click on allow to grant clean email access to your Gmail account. Wait for clean email to prepare you for your first cleaning, which may take about a minute. Click on get started to begin the cleaning process. Select unsubscribe from mailing lists to start unsubscribing from unwanted emails. Review the emails listed and click on unsubscribe to unsubscribe from selected mailing lists. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.